yung reason bakit hindi pumapayat ang isang tao. Hindi ka pumapayat. Kaya hindi ka pumapayat kahit ano pang gawin mo. It's because, ang tanong dyan, hanggang kailan mo siya ginagawa? Example, very motivated this week. O, nag-start tayo ng Monday. O, diba? Monday, coach, start na ako ng Monday. Wow, consistent. Meron siyang aloe, tea, and shake. Ayan. So, consistent. Yes, nandun yung ano niya, nandun yung motivation niya, nandun yung excitement niya mag-start. So, coach, twice a day ko na siya ginagawa. The next day, coach, 3 times a day ko na siya ginagawa. O, diba? Second day, third day. Ayan. Fourth day. O. Tapos, ika 5th day, may pakain. Ay, pakain sa office. So, nakatikim ng pagkain, tapos busy siya. Pagdating ng 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sa 10 days, hindi niya na ginagawa. So, parang nag-fall lang siya ng 4 times in a row lang siya naging consistent. Diba? So, ano yan yung ginagawa mo everyday, yun talaga ang nagka-count. No matter what you do, no matter what kind of diet na ginagawa mo, nag 1 day a meal, fasting ka, nag-Herbalife ka, ayan, naka-meal program ka, pero kung hindi mo siya gagawin tuloy-tuloy, wala kang sistema, you don't have any system, personal system na kailangan ginagawa mo to araw-araw para maging routine. So, mag-fulfill talaga yung iyong goal. Kasi ang kailangan, it's the journey itself, not just looking at the goal. Ang goal mo pumayat. Pero yung system mo, yung journey mo towards your goal na makalus man lang ng 10 pounds ay hindi mo siya ginagawa consistently. Okay? Di bali na yung paisa-isa, small step, kesa yung isang bagsakan mo ginagawa na, ay maghapon ako mag-aloe tea shake lang. Pero 3 days lang tapos yung sumunod na araw, puro kain to the max ka na. O, diba? O, di kaya low carb diet ka. Then, may low carb diet, pero 3 days lang ginawa mo. Then, the rest, tuloy-tuloy na ulit. O, diba? Only egg na, only rice, only lahat. O, diba? So, yun. It's actually you. Ikaw yun. Ikaw yung problema, bakit hindi ka pumapayat. Okay? Or, ikaw ang problema, bakit hindi mo na-achieve yung goals mo, kung ano man yung goals mo. At least, if you really want to make it, na makabawas ka ng timbang, or you have a target goal na gusto mo makaipon kahit at the end of the year may 50,000 kang na-save. So, kung yun yung goal mo, kailangan do not huwag ka mag-fall to zero. Never a zero dun sa gusto mong mangyari, yung goal mo. Kailangan kunyari, you want to lose weight. At least may ginagawa ka every day. At least mag-exercise ka, you have to move if you want to be fit and healthy. At least yung exercise mo, jumping jacks, 10 lang yan. 10 jumping jacks every day. So, at the end of the week, kung 5 days mo siya ginawa or 7 days in a row mo siya ginawa, edi at least may 70, di ba? 70 jumping jacks kang nagawa. Okay? So, then compute the rest. Okay. Pero kung kaya nyo naman na 100 jumping jacks, so, kunyan, nag-100 jumping jacks ka today, tas the next day wala. The next day, wala ulit. Tapos, the whole month, wala na. Oh, di ba? So, it will not work. Kailangan at least, kahit small step at a time, yun na gawin nyo. Write down, list down of the things na pwede nyong gawin. Na kung masyado kayong busy, at least maisisingit nyo siya. Okay? Kung ano man yung goals nyo. If you want to lose weight, yun ang gawin nyo. If you want to get healthy,